Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so importantly for always tuning in. I really do appreciate. If today the first time you are coming across us, or you are hearing our voice for the first time, we still remain your one and only, ever ready, bringing it to you, as you all know. So, my wonderful family, without not wasting much of your time, today I just want us to do quick.
Nsukka headquarters, and have been very impressive that the headquarters, soldiers in the headquarters are very much hailing them for their coordination, gallantry, and execution. So the preparation is ongoing just behind us here. But for certain reasons, I don't want to shift the camera yet to this area where the missiles are being positioned to be launched. So as soon as the launch is complete, I'll now position the camera. The men are happy. Our soldiers, BNG, Biafra soldiers, they're happy. They're singing. They're happy for the privilege to laying down their lives for the sake of Biafra. These are gallant men. These are youths. These are men that are willing to lay down their lives. They have chosen death. To believe it's an honor to die for Biafra. We have to appreciate. We have to enjoy. We have to be proud of the morale and the doggedness of a Biafran. It's shown in these men, in the Biafran army. They persevere, they endure, they carry on irrespective of the situation. They march on irrespective of not getting the requisites or enough or sufficient things they need, but they keep marching on. They are not stopping. Happily, they are laying down their lives. They are not hiding their faces. This is to show you that they are proud. They are proud. They are proud soldiers. Proud of their country. There was a country in 1967 with everything a country needs needed to be a sovereign state. The country surrendered in 1970 under the force of the invading federal troops of the Nigerian state. That nation, that country that was lost in 1967 is coming back to life. This is the significance of what you are seeing from 101 Artillery Brigade in Mbauku. Let me make something clear. These are just selected field soldiers from Mbauku, 101 Artillery Brigade. They are here today and they'll be making the headquarters, the personnel in the headquarters proud. Behind the scene, General Innocent Ode has also confirmed his gratitude and his astonishment at what 101 Artillery Brigade in Buku is able to showcase or show him today. Their coordination, their gallantry, their dedication, their perseverance. They have shown it, the rare courage to stand, to keep believing, to keep fighting, to sustain this fight. That is what is playing out today. Behind me, I'll soon quickly turn the position of the camera to see why the engineering section are quiet positioning the missile for the test launch. You know, they have some secret things they wouldn't want the public to see, how they are positioning and coordinating most of the things they have. Everybody is taking cover for the men.
All right. Go back and fill the gap for the second launching.
Thank you, sir.
Carry on.
All right. The personnel just informed the general commanding officer that his mission has been completed and he has been ordered to go back to project the main one, the bigger one, and although the general behind the scene here. Okay. So the general said that for some certain reasons he wants to make sure that the camera is able to capture what's going on. Let me also take cover while. All right, I think I have to stand this camera here. General, please wait. I have to stand the camera here and also take cover. So because what I saw recently is something I can't stand. So I think the camera is free position for this.
Let us wait too small.
So I'm trying to keep it where we'll be able to see, because it has been a very big problem capturing the speed of this on camera, and it's quite unfortunate that we don't have the advanced camera needed to capture things like this.
All
so,
right.
so you can see the general commanding officer with the remote control to wait. Yeah, it has been positioned. So I'm leaving.
All right. Let's see how it goes. Yes.
All right. So they are trying to make sure that safety is considered first for the people, because of the intensity and the ruggedity of this very uh, missile is dangerous, massively, extremely dangerous to come near, and this is proving quite difficult for us to capture what we want to capture. So it's a real concern, because I can't stand with what I've just seen a few minutes ago. I can't really stand for my own life. Not a soldier, just a media man. So I can't really stand this. So while they try to make sure that the missile is positioned in a way or shape that it can only go into the sky and fall back for the safety of people in Enugu State. So it's working out, and it's working out. They're trying to complete some details. They're trying to complete some details. So wait for them. So what am I saying? I keep saying this because I'm unapologetic, and I have to make it very, very clear. If we are ready for Biafra, we fight for Biafra. If we are not ready for Biafra, we go home and rest. Just imagine what is going on in our own land. You see people killing unnecessarily, maiming people.
We're ready to fire.
Okay, so sorry for this. It's ready to be. Should I? I will keep the thing and come out. It's okay, sir. Please wait. Let me shift to. I think the camera. It's fine. Okay, wait. On my hips.
All right. Here goes for it. Go again.
So the details has not been completed. The details has not been completed. They are still trying to make sure that all concerns are addressed for the safety of the personnel around, and every other thing. So I was talking about the issue of Biafra. How could people start killing our people, innocent Biafrans, in the name of what? Why? That is not Biafra we're talking about. This is why we all need BNG. This is why we have to rally around BNG, because it's a refined and defined military of people and for the people, with they are on course and with a clear aim towards restoring Biafra. Biafra till tomorrow, till the kingdom come, is not an affair that can be gotten through civil disobedience or politicking. Because in Africa, we've not had a country or a nation or a people that organically got independence. It has been the neo-colonialists dividing or recreating their colonies. So what we are talking today is the morale and the urge, the determination, the perseverance, the courage, unmatched courage of BNG to making sure that Biafra is restored with strength. We don't need to beg anybody for the restoration of Biafra. We don't need to negotiate with anybody for the restoration of Biafra. Why? Because Biafra was an independent state in 1967. Nigeria was an independent state. Biafra was an independent state, sorry. People came by force. They came by force and took away our sovereignty. It takes force to get it back. So this is the mentality of BNG. This is the mission statement of BNG. Now they are ready to lay down their lives. They are ready to do anything to make sure that Biafra becomes a sovereign state. All we need, all that is needed, is just that bit of our role, a quota, to making sure the struggle becomes a success. While the details, some of the details are being checked and to ensure the safety of the personnel, as you can see, the personnel, everybody is taking cover, everybody is hiding far away from the missile, including myself. I'm quite taking cover because it's quite difficult now to get this thing done today. It's quite difficult to get this thing done on a live camera. So, and pardon me, I don't have the courage to be around because I saw with just that launcher. So, we're very cool. Gotta be patient while all the details are sorted out to ensure safety of 101 Artillery Brigade in Bauku. The engineering department are trying to sort it out. I have received a message that if the details for safety are not guaranteed, if safety is not guaranteed, then the launching of this very missile will be shifted for the third agenda on the list. So that is what I've received. After this very agenda, then BNG will be going to the field for complete and total parade of the day. We are just experiencing, we are just starting. BNG is just starting. So shortly after this launch, the next activity that will be coming to you is activity in the field for the parade, where our heroes and heroines will be honored. The parade for them. Oh, I've seen her.
Ajay soldier, we don't dey go. Ajay warfare, we don't dey go. BNG Navy, we don't dey go. BNG Air Force, we don't dey go. We dey go. We dey go. We dey go. We dey go. Since the morning, 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 I never chop. Since the morning, I never chop. Since the morning, I never rest. Since the morning, I never sit down. Since the morning, I never eat. Since the morning, I never drink. Since the morning, 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 I never rest. Since the morning, so walking, so training, so firing. Since the morning, so running, so training, so firing. Since the morning, 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 I never sit down. Since the morning, I never rest. Since the morning, since the morning, since the morning, I am a man, I'm not a woman. Never you sorry for me. I am a man, I'm not a woman. Never you sorry for me. I say, carry me up, carry me down. Never you sorry for me. I say, carry me up, carry me down. Never you sorry for me. I am a man, I'm not a woman. Never you sorry for me. I am a man, I'm not a woman. Never you sorry for me. I say, carry me up, carry me down. Never you sorry for me. I say, carry me up, carry me down. Never you sorry for me. I am a man, I'm not a woman. Never you sorry for me. I am a man, I'm not a woman. Never you sorry for me. I say, carry me up, carry me down. Never you sorry for me. I say, carry me up, carry me down. Never you sorry for me.
That brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much for always tuning in. I really do appreciate. Share the video and tell your friends about this platform. because the best thing or the best place for you to be is here. Turn on the bell icon so that whenever I drop a new buzz boost like this, you'll be the first to notify. Thank you once again and remain blessed.